Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So I am kind of getting tired of having to say names of a lot of ways to integrate the front camera. Every time there's a new solution for the front camera, I feel the need to tell you every possible way which we are putting cameras till today. But not this time, just get over it. I should definitely mention the Spen dual cameras. They are definitely the weirdest. Link to that video over here and also in the description. So Oppo was the first one to announce a fully movable top part on the Find X. They also make phones with single pop-up cameras, water droplet notch, full notch. Basically they have phone with every possible camera placements. And now the new Oppo Reno is an addition to the already big list of weird camera placements. It's like this. I have been looking this phone for about 2 days and still I don't really get it. What's the point, Oppo? Am I missing something? I can understand that you don't want a notch or a hole on your display, but then just go put a simple pop-up camera. Why make it even more weird and more prone to breaking? It's a bigger movable piece as compared to your average lift-off camera. That's why naturally it's more fragile to breaking. No, by the way, seriously, I don't see any benefits of this over a single pop-up camera. It is still not dust and water resistant. Heck, now there is even more space for water to get inside. Aesthetic look? Nah, it doesn't look that good either. They are doing everything in just the name of innovation. And talking about innovation, it's not that big of an innovation either. It's just a camera on some motors. It's a fraction of an innovation. The real innovation is like ultrasonic fingerprint reader or maybe doing 10x optical zoom by such a small sensor. That's the type of innovation we all like. I'm not condemning Oppo, to be clear. I do like the fact that they are trying something different. My question is, why? This is in most scenarios inferior to the pop-up camera. And it is the equivalent of the Google notch for pop-up cameras. I mean, come on, this looks ugly, right? Let's jump to the specs of the smartphone. There are 3 cameras and one of them is the 10x optical zoom lens, Qualcomm Snapdragon 710, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, 3680 mAh battery with supervooc fast charging, under-display fingerprint reader, 6.4 inches Full HD display, and thankfully a headphone jack. The specs are pretty good. The release date is expected to be 24th of April. So at the end, once again, can you guys tell me a better reason for Oppo to go with this type of camera? I can think of just one single reason. They want coverage, which surely they are getting. But that sounds like desperation. And who knows, maybe they are desperate. Let me know your thoughts about this camera in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And as always guys, thanks for watching.